Hey guys, welcome back to Master V and Sons channel. Yes, it's been a while, but we're back. Today, we're going to be talking about a different product that was given by a group in LA called Lasfit. This company has given us some headlights that we'll be putting on our car today. So let's start with the video, guys. Let's go. Now, let's begin the procedure. Today, we are going to need these tools. Now that we have all the tools laid out, we forgot the most important part about it, which is actually opening up the bag with the lights inside. So to do that, we're going to press this light right here and move on to the next. Now, we are back home. Let's start off with opening up the package. Now to start, first of all, let's open this package up. So we're going to grab our trusty knife, fingers away, we're going to cut right through. Inside, I'm going to open it. As you can see, never opened before. We're going to open up, and we're going to open up the Lasfit LED lighting light bulbs that are made for the back lights. So in each set we have two. Each one has a 1-year warranty and is made in USA. So let's talk about the Lasfit's new LED lights made for the F150 Ford truck. So as we're gonna have more information about them up in the top left, as well as more information down in our link and bio below. So this company started in 2015. It has been working on LED lights of many types of cars, Subarus, Fords, and other cars that are out there. So, for instance, they've worked on front rear lights, dome lights, and all types of lights, rear lights, side lights, turning signals, all lights. And today we're gonna start off with these lights. These lights are meant for when you're going back. Those white lights that when you're driving backwards, they'll shine brighter. So with these lights, we're gonna try them out and give you guys a full-on opinion of what we feel is true about them. So to start off with, let's switch to actually moving on and opening up the lights in the F150. So, as we already did before.
Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, now we'll need we're missing something. Something ain't enough. Not two left hands. Let's get started. So to install these lights, you're gonna need a socket wrench, and then you're gonna unbolt these two bolts. Okay, so after we take off these bolts, now we just pull the light off. Okay, now we need to twist this one to take the light out, the old light out. Now we'll put this light in that Lasfit sent us, and it doesn't matter which way you put it in, you can either put it either or.
No.
Okay, now we'll put it back into where we took it out and plug it back in and turn it. That's it, guys. That's as easy as it gets. Alright, now we're gonna put the whole light back into where we got it. Alright, now we're going to do the same exact thing that we just did on this one on the other side. Work is done here. We finished the lights now, and it's still, we want to try it out, but it's still light outside, so we're going to have to use the magic button.
Now that we have finished looking at our old lights, let's move on to the new Lasfit lights. Let's see how those LED lights compare to our older lights. And by doing that, we're going to do it with the click of a button. Just like previously, you guys already know how to do it. Well, as you guys just saw that, you saw how well those LED lights do work. You could literally, like, compare to a flashlight app, like, those are just as good. You could see so much better when it comes to the new Lasfit lights. So, I mean, obviously, words did not describe what you guys just saw. So that's how good Lasfit is. With Lasfit, we also have a discount promo code. By fitting the promo code that you will see in our bio, and down in the right bottom screen, you'll see that you'll be able to buy one for yourself. So, as I already said, the light there comparison is crazy. It's a late night shot, it's a late night. So, just like as we did before, guys, thank you guys for watching Master V and Sons channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something. If you guys have any questions, please ask. Always, please subscribe. Take some time out of your day. Please subscribe. The more subscribers we get, the more you guys help us out. The more we are motivated to make these videos. We love making these videos, so we're going to keep doing it. A lot of our videos are going to be pretty much explaining stuff. So as we got here, we got Lasfit's lights. And we did and as you saw, guys, you see the very big comparison. If you want one, links down below. So guys, please like and subscribe to our channel, Master V and Sons, and we hope to see you guys next time. See you guys.